Okay, a typical Microsoft Word environment and a typical PowerPoint environment will show you that if you know how to navigate Microsoft Word, you likely understand 60 to 70% of what we will do in Microsoft's PowerPoint. Like I had already said, if you understand Microsoft Word, how to navigate the environment professionally, you know most of the icons, any other software you want to learn, it will be very simple, easy for you because you have gotten the foundation. You can see this is your file, this is your home tab. We all know the title bar and the close, minimize, and the maximize button. We have the insert. If you look at the features, the icons we have on this home tab, we will go to the PowerPoint tab and you equally see that there are the same icons. So we will not waste time to talk about them again. If you look at the insert tab, you see it's the same thing. Pause the video and look at it. The design tab, the page layout, and the rest. So let's take a walk to the Microsoft PowerPoint. Here is the a typical Microsoft Word PowerPoint where we equally have the file. If you navigate to Microsoft using your PC, your computer, your laptop, you see that all these icons, we already have them in Microsoft Word. And we took our time to explain each of these icons. So we will not waste time again explaining these icons. Let's move into the Home tab. If you get to Microsoft, just navigate, go through it, you see that a typical Home tab in Microsoft Word also have the same feature that Microsoft PowerPoint have, except for a very small difference where maybe like this new slide, and we will talk about new slide, and the small difference we have here, we have the insert. If you go through the insert tab in Microsoft PowerPoint, you will be having almost 80% of the icons we also have here. Then we go to design. If you go to the design tab, you will always or almost have the same design here. So we will pay more attention to transition, we'll pay more attention to animation, and we will equally look at slideshow. We'll equally look at slideshow, review, and view. So coming to your file tab, you have the info. We discussed this, the new, the open, save as, print, share, export, close, accounts, and option. Coming to your home tab, we have the paste where we discuss at length. We have the cut, the copy, the format painter. Then we have the new slide. I said something about new slide. If I click on this new slide now, you can see I can equally stand here and right click on this particular slide, and I click on duplicate slide. I've gotten another slide. Remember I said that we don't call this particular this interface that we have, this text box here, we don't call it page, we call it slide. So if you come to new slide, that means we want to add additional slide here. We can stand here and add slide, or we can come to new slide the way you want your slide to look like. To contents, any format, these are the different formats. You can see I have changed the format from having the two text box. The next slide, because I click on this particular format, I'm having this format, so I can put my text here, maybe put my text here. It all depends on my own design. You can come again if you want to add another slide. you can come and click on this particular, any of them, you can click on it. So it's giving me another slide. You can scroll down, duplicate selected slide. If you want to duplicate slide from online, reuse slide. So those are the things you need to click, and let's see what comes up. I have to increase the brightness. So that is for new slide. Layout, change the layout of your slide. Remember, we talked about layout in Microsoft Word. Is it portrait or is it landscape? The same thing is applicable here. You can see these are the different layouts that you have. Blank is almost like new slide. The layout, I've changed the layout. I'm not adding any slide. I only change the layouts. The way, remember, when we are in the new slide, we can pick this one. But if you don't like this layout, we have how many slides now? 5 slides. If I come to layout, I click on change layout, I still have 5 slides. Nothing had been added. So let's come to reset. Okay, nothing is happening here. Reset. So section, add section. What are we having? We are having a section here, but let's not go into that. Add, remove all section, collapse all. So just try your hand on this and see what will happen. Add section. So those are the additional things in which just play around it and see what will happen. All this we had already discussed in Microsoft, how to arrange, bring to front, and the rest. We had already discussed this, find, replace, and the rest. So that is for your home tab. And coming to insert, we had already insert new slide. We had already done all this. We had already done all this in Microsoft. Assuming you want to add video, those are the things we talk about. Shapes, smart arts, chart, there are the same thing. Text box, header, footer, word art, and the rest. Time, if you intend to add time to your slide, no problem. Equation, symbol, add video. If you want to add video to this slide, you click here, you come and look at where your video is. Do I have any video here? I click this video is heavy, it will take time. So you just click on insert. Your video will be loaded here, so that when you click on it, inserting media to cancel, press this. So if you want to add video to your own slide, that is what you do. Exactly, I can click now. My video will start playing. My video will start playing. You can see the same number of endeavor. So it's not peculiar. Explain to you. I've added video economically to well, I don't like. They will not need solar. Sorry, I've added video to this slide now. If you intend adding video to your slide, that is exactly what you do. I don't like adding video to my slide. I can always give you a link to go and watch the video and learn. So adding video to the slide is not my thing. So if you want to add, we were on insert. If you want to add audio, the same thing. Record audio from PC, the same thing. The way we added video to the slide. So we have been able to introduce you to the file, the home, and the insert tab. Coming back, we will talk about the design and other things when it has to do with Microsoft PowerPoint. Please do well to click on, because your system will not spoil. So even those icons that I've not been able to maybe introduce you to, please, the best way to learn is to try your hands on it. The system will not crash if you try it. Try it and do your research, because I want everybody at the end of this session to know how to do presentation. You'll be given a topic. To use your PowerPoint, to do presentation, record your screen, and that is going to form part of your assignment when it has to do with Microsoft PowerPoint. And we will still give you assignments on different topics that you will use Microsoft PowerPoint to design and use your laptop to record your screen. The essence of this training is to help you understand how to use PowerPoint professionally, effectively, to deliver seminars, presentations. If you have a course to design, you can. That is what I'm doing. So you are not too far from it. So it's about practice. Don't wait for me to be pushing you. Push yourself, and you certainly get there.